Hey family, still another beautiful day here in Seoul, South Korea. Not feeling 100%, but I am feeling pretty well. So let's get started with the day. For breakfast, I bought this vitamin C drink. This is 1,200 milligrams of vitamin C. There's a lot of these all over the place, so figure try another one. You know, it's been helping. Kampai. Not bad. Out of all the ones I've tried, that's actually might be the best one. More lemon. Okay, next we got a kimbap. It's beef and red chili paste kimbap. And then we also have a yogurt. A lot of red chili paste. Really good. Okay, next we're having some yogurt. Salted caramel. Take this. Flip it over. Okay, that's... Thank you for blowing your nose while I'm filming. That's barely any topping for a lot of yogurt, but hey, let's see. It's Greek yogurt. Not bad. I want to do something different. So my drink is pine bud. Apparently it's a type of tea that they have in Korea. Wow, that is very interesting. It's like minty and lemon at the same time. I'm honestly surprised how good that is. So today we're actually going to go to a pop-up store that is here. It's a Nintendo pop-up store. It's a limited time Nintendo pop-up store, so let's go. You know, just walking around Seoul, South Korea, getting some juice. This is called a mul. It's a honey mulberry juice. I've never heard of this fruit before. Apparently it's indigenous to South Asia. Tastes very unique. It's got a really different flavor. Tastes a little bit like blackberry, but not as much. Of course, the honey also changes it a little bit, but I really like it. It's a really different flavor. Well, after a little bit of walking and a little bit of subway, I'm here at the IPark Mall in Seoul. This mall has an exclusive Nintendo pop-up store. So let's go. I'll see you inside. Well, unfortunately, you can't even go inside of the store without a Korean phone number. So, I'm gonna try to see if there's a way, but till then, just walk around the mall and see what else is there to explore. I decided to go to Loteria and get a bulgogi burger. This time, no mayo, no ketchup, no mustard. It's got a lot of lettuce and onions. But you can actually taste the beef. I can taste the bulgogi. The bulgogi flavor here isn't as strong as it is in the US. The US, they make it a very strong, intense flavor. Here it's very light. It's like it complements the beef. It doesn't overpower the beef, which I appreciate because you can actually taste the beef. I don't know how much beef this is. You can actually taste the beef, and I appreciate that a lot more than just coating it in bulgogi sauce. That actually wasn't bad. I mean, I've always heard Lotteria has low quality stuff, that's why. Big chain, usually big chains, low quality. But that actually wasn't bad. I actually really enjoyed it. Again, the no mayo makes it so much better. So much better. Apparently this place right here specializes in milk tea. So let's go have some. Milk tea, store cup, cold, leave it at 50, no pearls, add to cart. Yes, yes, check out. Skip. Next step. And now we pay. Well, here it is. Mix it up. Strong red velvet taste. I mean, it's delicious. Comes the price, but hey, totally worth it. So the small is incredible. All right, every floor has some type of like mini food court, mini food area, and then on the 7th floor they have a food district. It's a whole area with a bunch of different restaurants, and they're pretty much all sit down, 1 or 2 pop-ups, some specialty places, and it's just incredible. It's just absolutely incredible. What a place. So I'm about to eat in a place that specializes in blood sausage, Korean blood sausage. I've had it before, but it's time to have it in Korea. Let's go. No idea what this is. All blood sausage. We got the appetizers, side dishes. I'm guessing this is like a squid sausage, and this is the actual blood sausage. And here's, of course, some more vegetables to kind of cut the flavor. He also said you can eat it with shrimp or salted shrimp or spicy. All right, blood sausage in Korea. Here we go. It's really good. The one in the US is horrible. It's either over-processed or something. This one, the casing's actual animal casing. The meat, it's a lot meatier. It doesn't feel like processed meat. It actually feels like real meat. A lot better. So much better. Let's try this one. I think this one's squid. I think that's pork. That's pork. I think they also have a squid sausage. That one's pork. Again, the casing, it's animal casing. It's a lot meatier. Doesn't feel like over-processed meat. Let's try it with the spicy. It goes really well with the spiciness. Really, really well with the spiciness. As you can see, there's actual vegetables in there too. Let's try this one. Let's try with the vegetables and everything. The vegetables spicier than the sausage. They're better separate. A lot better separate. If you have any appetite for organ meat or intestine meat or whatever, this is delicious. Delicious. I see why a lot of people eat this with stew. It's kind of got a little bit of a gamey flavor. If you like that, it's great. If you don't like that, you need to cut it with something, which is probably right out of the vegetables, the spiciness, the salt, salted shrimp. But it's delicious. I like it. With me and my taste, I absolutely love this. Fantastic. Whew. That was fantastic. Like I said, if you have a taste for for intestines, and it's nothing like South American blood sausage. Nothing at all. It's much meatier. It's much meatier. So yeah, I mean, and I don't even know how much organ intestinal meat is in there. There's a little bit of a gamey flavor, but there's also a very strong meaty flavor. So it's fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. I enjoyed it. Definitely recommend it. And then to top it all off, there's a Pokemon card store. So let's go inside. So I got into the Nintendo store. Shh. Let's look around. And that is it. And now we're out. Honestly, there wasn't really anything in the store I really wanted. Plus, there's also kind of a trade embargo going on in my house, little something. But yeah, because the number one thing I wanted was chopsticks, and they actually don't have chopsticks. So, I mean, it was cool. I thought they were gonna have some exclusive stuff, but what it looks like is it's just a Nintendo pop-up store that came to Seoul, South Korea, it's not an exclusive Seoul, South Korea pop-up store. So all in all, pretty cool. It's kind of some cool exclusive stuff, but nothing for me. So let's go somewhere else. House of Chicken. So we found this little hole in the wall kind of place down in the alley close to where we're staying. So we're gonna have some fried chicken again. You know, why not? Not seasoned, seasoned. It's too hot to eat right now. Freshly fried. Like I can literally see the fryer. All right, first, second bite. Why is every chicken place here so good? It's not overbreaded, really good flavor, moist chicken. Now let's have the spicy one. Sweet spicy. It's kind of got a vinegar spicy and a hint of sweetness. The spicy one's much better. Just finished eating some chicken at House of Chicken. The normal chicken didn't really have a lot of flavor, but the spicy one, or the seasoned one, which is basically just spicy, was actually really good. It was a vinegar spicy, and it had some sweetness to it. So that was actually really, really good. I really like that. Off to 7-Eleven to get a drink, and then maybe some dessert. Time for some dessert. This is Milkus. It's kind of like a yogurt, milk flavored carbonated drink. Really good. Really, really good. Refreshing. First we have this. No idea what it is, but hey, let's look. So apparently you cut the top and then you just suck it?
Yeah. Not you've ruined it.
Oh. Oh my god, this makes so much more sense now.
Yeah.
It's like good quality Jell-O. Oh, this was a good idea. Mango. Mango might have been my favorite. Donut peach. Delicious. I've actually had this. This is actually an Asian version of a peach. The lychee's a little bit too sweet. So this, of course, is cake with cream in the middle. Mousse. Tastes like a really good ding dong. It's a sponge cake around and then like a fudge mousse in the middle. Really good. Well, family, that's it for today's vlog. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment down below, hit the notification bell so you know whenever I post the next video. And most importantly, stay hungry, and I'll see you on the next food adventure.